lovelies, it's your girl Adiola and you're welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. Yes, today I'm back again with a tutorial and I wanted to show you these two products. I wanted to use them on camera for you. I've shared this in my last haul, so if you haven't seen that video, please make sure you do check it out. Yeah, if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome, and to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave here today, and then click notification bell so you know when I upload a video. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. I want to show you this palette. It's called the Uoma Beauty. I don't know if you guys know the Uoma Beauty. It's a black-owned brand, Nigerian I believe. Is a limited edition palette to celebrate the Coming to America 2 movie. So this is what it looks like. I have done a little review of it on my in my last haul. Like I said, make sure you check that video out. And yeah, beautiful palette. I've swatched it, but I want us to use it on camera. And the other thing I want to use today is this BPerfect, the Perfect Stone Face palette. I've also talked about this in my last haul, and this is what basically this looks like. So it's got a bronzer, blusher, it's got highlighter, and it's got like a little setting powder. Yeah, I'll show you what they look like and how they perform. So yeah, if you want to see how we get onto this one, please keep watching. Okay, so I have gone ahead and done my brows. I've done nice cute red brows, just go with my hair. I'm going to do a tutorial for this brows in another video, but yeah, I'm going to prime my lids with the BPerfect Perfect Prime eyeshadow priming base. So now that I've done my eyeshadow base, I always like to still set it with a little bit of powder. Today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. Okay, so I'm going to start using the palette. I'm going to go in with the red shade first. You see how very vibrant that red is. Absolutely gorgeous. Using that as a transition shade. I'm just loading that up in circular motion and kind of like blending it out again, the edges as I do this. Next, I'm going to go in with this matte purple shade. Just gonna put that in the, just dab that in there, just under that red, so it blends in. And this time I'm just patting it in because I want a lot of color on there. Yeah, I'm going to blend out the edges of that on this side. I always feel like this side I have to work a lot more on this eye. Don't know why. Next I'm going to go in with the black, the matte black. Oh, that's a lot of pigment there, so I don't need that much. You can see I've only just gone in once, and that's all that color payoff on there. Yes, fantastic, isn't it? Loading it on the outer corner, and then I blend it inwards. So you usually start for where you want the most color to show up. Just gonna blend out the edges with like a smaller brush, so that just flows seamlessly into the other colors. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty concealer. I just squirted a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease today. So I usually just like kind of like draw it. Some people say you pat, but I don't know how to do that, so I just use whatever's left on there to cover the rest of the space. We're using the Huda Beauty brush, double-ended brush, just because it just does the job. The way it's angled, can you see that? So that really does help me. That looks nice and even. Does not, so my cut crease doesn't start to crack. I just pat a bit of matte. It could be a matte neutral eyeshadow you could use, or you can just put your translucent powder on there. So I'm gonna go in, I think I'm gonna do something a bit more dramatic. So I'm gonna go in with that blue over there. just at the so coming from the inside. I'm trying to use almost all the colors in the palette, so you can see how it performs. Obviously a 9-color eyeshadow palette. You can probably use everything in one look. That's beautiful, kind of like a holographic shade there. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade, this one, Mulahi. I'm just fading it into the color before. It's a gorgeous palette. And I'm gonna go in with the gold. That gold is beautiful, oh my god. Also just fading that into that color, where that color ends. So yeah, that's what I've done. That's gorgeous, oh my god. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go in with this one just for under my brow bone. It's called palm wine. Palm wine is a local Nigerian drink. I don't know if they drink it in other parts of Africa, but in Nigeria it's a local alcoholic drink, locally made. Tastes very nice. The colors are very, very vibrant. They just pop in. Every color I'm using just pops. So pretty. Oh god, nice. Instead of using an eyeliner, I want to just use the black as an eyeliner. I'm just using an angled eyeliner brush and just kind of like load that up on top of my lash line, just in an angle, just to catch up with that black in the outer corner. Yeah, see that? So we have like a nice soft lash line. Okay, so that's sort of my liner done. Okay, I always like to use the mascara before I put my lashes on. So today I'm using the Pixie Lash Lift 118 mascara. Okay, so my lashes are on. I'm just going to use this matte purple on the under. I might also just want to put a bit of I think I've used almost all the colors. Let's use this sparkly kind of like purple underneath there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm gonna put my foundation on and I'll come back to you. Okay, so I've put my base on. I've used this 3-product, the Filorga Pore Express regulating primer. Sorry, it's so dirty. The Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Foundation, and the Huda Beauty Concealer, Overachiever Concealer. That's my base, and I've blended everything together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you this face palette. Okay, so this is the face palette, and like I said, it's got everything you need for your for finishing your face. So we're gonna go in first with the highlighting powder. What I found with this powder, it's very, very pigmented. It kind of like almost works like a powder concealer, but so you just need a little bit, in my opinion, because I have tried it and I just want to show you that's how it is. It's quite light, so if you're of a darker skin tone, probably not the best product for you. So you do well with just to pat it in. I like to pat it in with a soft brush like this, pointy brush like this, just to set that concealer, and also gives a little bit of a highlight as well. Just to pat that in, just to set that. See, I'm just literally just dabbing it on there, and make sure you take off any excess, otherwise it might get ugly. I want to use this as well to kind of like do a little bit of contouring, not too much as well, just drag it down there. Okay, you guys can see that that's not too bad. It's more or less like a setting highlighting powder. So I'm gonna go in with the bronzer, and that's the bronzer there. Put that on there. I feel, in my opinion, I feel this bronzer is could be a warmer for my shade, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad in terms of color. It does warm up my face. I feel that I'm having to load the bronzer on, you know. Okay, so that's that. I'm just going to try and pull everything together first with my MAC mineralized powder, because I always like to use that to finish my base before I go in with blusher, and that also helps to warm up if I've got any like white cast going on, that kind of thing anywhere. Just helps to bring everything together, you know. So yeah, that's looking really, really nice, I think. I mean, from where I'm looking at it, it's looking really, really cute. See the bronze, very nice. Yep. And the next thing I'm gonna go in with the orangey kind of like blusher. That does show up really, really nicely, this one. I absolutely love the color. Nice enough. I know I said in my haul, I was saying, oh, maybe it could be deeper, but I felt, like I said, I took you on holiday and I think I didn't have all the right you know, tools to work with it, you know. And I think when you get a new product, you just have to play around with it to make it work for you. So having had a chance to play around with it, it actually does work for me. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just putting the blusher up to my temple, just tapping that on, and that's it. Nice, you know, quite natural. If you want more, you can actually put more on, but I think this is good enough. You don't want to look too crazy. That looks cute. Now the highlight, we'll see. So it's a nice champagne highlight, golden champagne. So that does really come up really, really nicely. I don't feel it's too bright. Yeah, actually it's not too bad. So I would say that this palette is more for like medium to deep dark skin tones. For deeper skin tones, probably not. That highlight's really, really beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I'm feeling it. Actually, I'm. Yeah. So that's how that has really, really come out. You know, what we thinking. I'm actually liking the old drama going on. Nice. See that highlight? You can see the blush, and you can see the bronze coming through. Yeah. I'm just gonna go in with a lip gloss just to finish off this look, and I'll be using the BPerfect lip gloss in Girl Code. I'm just going to set the whole look with the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray, just to bring that powderiness down. Okay, so this is the whole look created with the BPerfect, the Perfect Storm Bronze Shape and Illuminate Full Face Palette, and the Uoma Beauty Black Magic Color Palette. It's a Coming to America limited edition. So these are the two products that I have used that I wanted to show you. And yeah, gorgeous products, lovely products. I mean, the eyeshadow looks absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I try to use all those colors on my face, on my eyes, except for this one, which I'll probably put in the outer corner. Let's do that. And yeah, you can see how all the colors are popping. Yes. Okay, so that's a beautiful, gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I would say it is quite pricey, but for the color payoff, so yeah, not too bad. Yeah, support black owned brands. Yeah, beautiful palette, beautiful color payoff, gorgeous. £28 it retails for, but it can get you on offer at Beauty Bay, so have a look. And as well as the BPerfect palette, there you go. So yeah, okay, so let me know what you think. If you like this video, please do make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. People always forget, they watch the video and just scroll on. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, let me know what you think about this look. You know, comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.